Hey, this is Nitrobite, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Boulanger mod and the progress. So this is the updated scale GUI, and let's go ahead and just type in 5,000 here because we have a new item called the 50-pound flour bag. And with that, we can measure out large quantities of our ingredients. And if we want to take a look really fast at the different varieties, we have them right here. So this way we don't have to use these small items. I've also added pans, which if we go over here, we can see the baguette pan and we can see the loaf pan. And now we can talk about the actually, let's take a look at the mixer because I've added some new details to the mixer to make it a little nicer. And this is pretty exciting. So, as you can see, when we put our ingredients in, we get a little icon rendered next to it with the weight. So we can see what all we have in the mixer now, because there wasn't previously a way to do that. So, but this, I think I need to clean it up a little bit, make it look nicer, but still kind of cool. This is the proofing box. What we do here is take our doughs. This one, for example, is on step 3, so we need to punch it down just like that. And then it goes, I thought it was step 3. Oh, there seems like there's a bug. Interesting. Anyway, so as you can see, we're going up in ticks here because this piece of dough is proofing. And then when it gets done proofing, it comes down here. And then this particular dough on step 4, we move on from proofing and we move to the dough divider. And since this dough is the smallest size, we're not going to divide it at all. We're just going to step it up in progress. And then we're going to come to the baker's table. And then we're going to put the dough with the appropriate pan, not the wrong pan, as you can see, with the appropriate pan into the right pan. And then take this panned up baguette. And then we can put it in the oven. And then we can get our baguette and our pan back. And as you can see, I've updated the wood oven as well. So here we go. So that's nice. We got a couple other things cooking up, but that's the biggest stuff for now. One small thing that I want to show off is the milligram scale, which is basically just a scale, but it measures out milligrams. So if we want to get 500 milligrams, we can do this with this device. Whereas with this one, 500 would look like this. It would be 500 grams, be 1,000 times more. So, ta-da, milligram scale. Anyway, I've also got some new textures coming up. I like these, but I might change them some more. But the textures aren't a super big focus right now. So, yeah. And then there is also a multi-block structure that I'm working on, but that's in early development phases. So anyway, stay tuned for more updates.